Same tool, different name, $50 apart. That is most of Amazon tools, but not these 10. A hedge trimmer that reaches 9 feet. No ladder needed. A laser measure that does the math automatically. A ratchet that turns bolts where others cannot even fit. 10 tools. Each one solves a real problem. No copies, no junk. Here they are. Number 1. WORKPROX 20-volt cordless pole hedge trimmer. Start with the tool that scares most people. Ladders. Nobody likes them. But trimming tall hedges always meant balancing on one. Until this. The WORKPROX 20-volt cordless pole hedge trimmer. It extends to 9.2 feet. Ground level trimming. No ladder, no fear. The head rotates to 11 different angles. Top, sides, even underneath. The battery lasts 40 minutes, enough for most yards. Same battery works with other WORKPROX tools. Plus, it charges a phone. The battery itself is a power bank. 6.17 pounds. Comes with a shoulder strap. Arms won't hate the user after 20 minutes. Dual laser cut blades cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch thick. Clean cuts. Less damage to plants. Double safety locks prevent accidental starts. Safe for kids. Safe for the operator. This is how to trim hedges in 2026. Get off the ladder. Number 2. Bosch Blaze Laser Distance Measure. The tool that makes tape measures look like ancient history. The Blaze Laser Distance Measure. 100 feet, measured in 1 second. Accuracy within 1/16 of an inch. Tighter than most contractors ever need. 2 buttons. That is it. One to measure, one to round. No menus, no confusion. Anyone can use it immediately. The display is backlit. Works in dark attics, dark basements, dark crawl spaces. Brighter than the previous model. Easy to read. Fits in a pocket. Runs on 2 AA batteries, both included in the box. No hidden costs, no charging required. The rounding button is pure genius. Converts 1/2 inch to 1/32 inch instantly. No math, no fractions on a napkin. Point, click, done. That is laser measuring in 2026. Number 3. DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit. Most toolkits are junk, soft metals, loose handles. This one is different. The DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit. Forged from chrome vanadium steel. The same material professionals use. Meets or exceeds ANSI standards. That is the certification for serious tools. 218 pieces. Combination wrenches, screwdrivers, sockets, adjustable wrench, lineman pliers. Everything for daily repairs around any home. The case keeps everything organized. No loose tools rolling around in a drawer. Size is 17 inches by 13 inches. Fits in a closet. Fits in a truck. Weight is 14 pounds. Solid but portable. Perfect for furniture assembly, plumbing repairs, small car fixes, garage construction, even garden decoration. This is the only toolkit most people will ever need. Number 4. Bomivoi 34-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set for electronics, bikes, furniture, and computers. The Bomivoi 34-in-1 magnetic screwdriver set. The handle is forged aluminum alloy, lightweight, strong, adjusts into straight, T-shape, or L-shape configurations. Perfect for tight spaces. Perfect for complex angles. The anti-slip grip keeps hands comfortable during long repair sessions. 58-tooth ratchet inside. 6.2-degree fine increment. Saves up to 80% of the user's effort. Switch between forward and reverse instantly. Less wrist fatigue, more efficiency. 32 bits. All S2 steel. The good stuff. Phillips, Torx, Hex, slotted, Positron, and specialty bits for electronics. More bit types than typical 24-piece sets. Strong magnetic handle holds bits firmly. The case includes a built-in magnetizer to recharge bit magnetism instantly. Color-coded rings make bit selection fast and easy. A precision toolkit for serious work. Number 5. WGGE WG-015 Professional 8-inch Wire Stripper and Crimping Tool. Electricians. Car audio installers. DIYers working on anything with wires. Pay attention. Most wire strippers make users guess which hole to use. Not this one. Cuts, strips, and loops wire from 10 to 22 gauge. Solid copper or aluminum. High carbon alloy steel construction. Built to last. The self-adjusting jaws automatically grip the correct size. No guessing, no damaged wires. Clean strip every single time. But stripping is only half the story. This tool also crimps insulated and non-insulated terminals, all in one. No switching tools, no wasted time. The ergonomic curved handle has a non-slip rubber grip. Firm hold, no hand fatigue, even after hours of use. For electrical work, for automotive wiring, for home repairs, this tool pays for itself in one job. Number 6. WORKPROX 20-volt cordless tiller cultivator. Turning soil with a shovel is hard work. The WORKPROX 20-volt cordless tiller cultivator makes it easy. 4 steel tines, 12 blades total, made of durable 65 manganese material, engineered for strength. The motor runs at 280 RPM, digs 8 inches wide, 8 inches deep, perfect for garden beds, vegetable plots, lawns, powered by a 20-volt 4 amp-hour battery. Type-C fast charging, LED digital display shows exact battery level. The battery also doubles as a power bank for phones or other devices. No gas, no fumes, no pull cords. Weighs only 10 pounds. Compact design, easy to carry, easy to store. The handle is adjustable. Comfortable grip for any user height. Dual action start buttons plus a safety lock prevent accidental starts. Detachable blades for quick cleaning and easy replacement. Loosen, till, weed, done. Number 7. WORKPRO Premium Utility Knife. A utility knife seems simple. Most are plastic junk. This one is different. The WORKPRO Premium Utility Knife. Full aluminum alloy body. Rust-proof powder coat. Weighs only 3.2 ounces. Passed the 1.5 meter drop test. This thing is tough. The blade is SK5 steel. Heat treated to 1922 degrees Fahrenheit. Hardness rating of 64 HRC. That is razor sharp. That is long lasting. Slices through boxes. Plastic packaging. Straps. Carpet. Drywall. Rope. Leather. Flooring. 3 adjustable positions for the blade. Slides open for exact cuts. Retracts and locks safely inside the metal frame when finished. Blade replacement takes 1 second with the quick release button. Comes with 10 extra double-use blades. Ergonomic design fits comfortably in any hand. 6.3 inches long. Fits safely in a back pocket. The last utility knife anyone will ever buy. Number 8. DURATECH 6-in-1 Linesman Pliers. Standard Linesman pliers do 2 things: grip and cut. The DURATECH 8.5-inch 6-in-1 Linesman pliers do 6. Fastening, clamping, winding, cutting, crimping, stripping wires, all in one tool. Premium carbon steel construction. Integrally heat-treated and forged. Blackened surface for corrosion resistance. The cutting-edge hardness is 55 to 65 HRC. That is extremely hard. That is extremely sharp. The eccentric labor-saving design cuts with 30% less force than ordinary pliers. Strips 6 different wire sizes. Cuts steel wire, copper wire, iron wire. Also twists screws and nuts. Non-slip TPR handles. Textured for maximum comfort. Reduces hand fatigue. Works with just one hand. For electricians, plumbers, carpenters, auto mechanics, anyone who works with wire and fasteners. 6 tools, 1 plier, always on the belt, always ready. Number 9. Kapro Magnetic Lock Combination Square. A combination square is a classic tool. Kapro made it smarter. The Kapro 325 Magnetic Lock Combination Square. 12 inches. Strong magnets hold the ruler in place. Push and pull the rule through the magnetic field. No thumb screw, no slipping, no frustration. Registering measurements from board to blade has never been easier. The ruler is stainless steel, permanently etched in inches and centimeters. Won't wear off like painted markings. 5 milled sides for superior accuracy. That means straighter lines, better cuts, less waste. Includes a stainless steel scribe, held by a magnet. Easy to grip, easy to store. Never lost in a toolbox again. The vial is easy to read. No squinting. Comes with a belt holster. Keeps the square within reach on any job site. For carpentry, drywall, construction, metal fabrication. This is the last combination square any professional will ever buy. Number 10. HORUSDY 3/8-inch drive 90-tooth flex head ratchet handle. The final tool. And personally, the favorite. The HORUSDY 3/8 drive 90-tooth flex head ratchet. Standard ratchets have 45 teeth. Cheap ones have 36. This has 90. That means a 4-degree swing arc. 4 degrees. Bolts turn in the tightest engine bays, under dashboards, inside narrow brake assemblies, places where other ratchets simply cannot go. The head flexes 180 degrees, reaches awkward angles, bends into engine compartments, around HVAC installations, into furniture assembly corners. Quick release button for fast socket changes. Reversible switch works with one hand. Chrome vanadium steel construction. Withstands high torque. Resists wear and corrosion. For automotive repair, bicycle maintenance, home improvement, professional mechanics, weekend DIY users. The 90-tooth mechanism plus flex head makes every job faster, easier, more precise. The sound of the clicks is pure satisfaction.